17. Honour thy father and mother. In a college classroom, before the instructor arrived, an angry student was expressing his disgust because his grandfather, with whom he was living, would not let him use his BMW. He declared, "I hope he croaks soon so I can get the car." Other students began to make similar statements about their grandparents. Then a young-looking grandmother in the class spoke up to say, "Has it occurred to any of you that you will be grandparents someday?" There was silence, but no repentance. God tells us in the 10 Commandments, "Honour thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee." Exodus 20:12. This law is a promise of life for obedience and of death for disobedience. A society that has no respect for parents has no future, because to despise or neglect our past is to show contempt for our source of life and for life itself, past, present, and future. Paul calls this the first commandment with the promise of life, meaning by first the basic one, Ephesians 6:2 and 3. On the human scene, this is the basic law. It sets a temper for the whole of life. Something's radically wrong with a society which furthers disrespect for parents and for the basic institution of family. It's important to remember, as Otto Scott has pointed out, that a decadent society is one which can no longer defend itself. That defence begins with the family.